chemical we use for scouring? Sodium hydroxide and sodium carbonate. Okay. And for bleaching we use hydrogen peroxide. Okay. And similarly, there are many chemicals which are being used in every pre-treatment and also every process. When you take dye, we again use carbonate and acetic acid. Likewise, there are many chemicals which are used in every stage of textile process. Okay, and also at this huge amount of water, and the chemical which is being used is let out as an effluent. What will be effluent? Let's say waste. Okay, when it is let out as effluent, it causes pollution to the environment, causes pollution to the water bodies. And again, there is large amount of water is wasted, and environment is also good. So there is a need for a kind of replacement. There is a need for a remedy. We cannot use chemicals always, and we cannot use large amount of water always. Then we will run into water scarcity and all. Okay. So in that sense, people think about some remedies which will be suitable for textile industry by reducing the amount of chemicals. And the final remedy they came up with enzymes. What is that? Enzymes. Now our topic is about enzymes. Okay, so we will have a discussion. What are enzymes? She is asking the question.
Enzymes are called as bioreactors, which undergoes chemical reactions, which undergoes human
Biocatalyst. Catalyst itself it means they will not directly go into the reaction, but they will make the reaction will happen fast. So they are biological catalysts. So they can be a very good replacement for chemicals. Any other information you know about enzymes?
enzymes are very
Sensitive. What way they are sensitive?
They are sensitive to pH
Oh, they are sensitive to pH and temperature. For example, what she is telling is right. For example, when you make an enzyme, if it works at the pH of 3, you have to maintain the pH. If you just raise the pH to 4, it may not work. And again, if a particular enzyme is working at a temperature of 80 degrees Celsius, if you supply 40-60 degrees Celsius, the enzyme will not work. So in that sense, they are very much sensitive to pH and also temperature. Okay. Now we are talking about enzymes. In what way these enzymes are used in textile industry? How are they used? Can you tell me? Okay, right. So usually we use acid, hydrochloric acid or sulfuric acid for these enzymes. When you use such chemicals, they may damage the fabric if they are not removed properly. But she is telling now we are using amylase, which is an enzyme. And then any other? Sodium hydroxide, yes.
Now we can use the enzyme
Okay. Pectinase. So she told amylase for these enzymes. Here it is pectinase for scouring. Any other thing? What enzyme can we use? We can use peroxidase. Okay, for bleaching we can use peroxidase. Usually we will use hydrogen peroxide, but now enzyme is replacing the hydrogen peroxide, that is peroxidase. Only for these enzymes covering and bleaching. Any other? Biopolishing. What enzyme can be used? Cellulase. So we are biopolishing cellulose. For that we are using the enzyme cellulase. Okay, so now we have learned about almost 4 enzymes. What are they? For amylase, pectinase, peroxidase, cellulase. What do you think about these names of these enzymes?
All enzymes are
which ends with S. What do these enzymes do? These enzymes hydrolyze the starch which is present in the fabric and then takes it to smaller molecules and make them insoluble. Okay, this is their function. But then how do they work? Do they have a specific mechanism?
First one, the lock and key.
Lock and key. What is the lock and key mechanism?
The one is similar to specific form.
Oh, right. So, how many locks can be used for one key?
One.
Only one. Right. We can use only one lock for a key. We do not use many locks. Then there is no advantage of using a locket. Okay. When you take a key, it is suitable for only one lock. Similarly, enzymes